Okay, so let's continue our lesson. Yeah, uh, as I said here, sorry, when Lisa has 7 stickers, then Celine has 3 stickers. So this is the box represent for the unit of the sticker that Lisa has to the number of uh, s- unit that Celine has. And the second one here is Lisa has 172 sticker more than Celine. So if you look at the diagram here, you can see that this diagram represents for the amount of sticker that Lisa has more than Celine, because Celine has only this, the same as this. So this one is the amount of the stickers that Lisa has more than Celine. So what number should we complete here? So yeah, as we see here, Lisa has 172 sticker more than Sulin. So the box here should be replaced by 172. Okay, so let's solve the problem all together. So the first question is that find the ratio of the number of stickers Shulin has to the number of Lisa has to the number of the total. So remember that when the write start from Shulin and after that Lisa and after that the total. So the number here that you have to complete, you have to start by Shulin and after that Lisa and after that the total one. But let's see what is the total you need. If you look back at the previous slide here, you will see that Lisa has 7 and Sulin has yeah, Lisa has 7 and Sulin has 3 units. So totally we have to add them together. So the result here will be the total unit is obtained by 7 plus 3, then it will be 10. And now we already know the total number of the unit, and also we know the total unit, sorry, we also know the unit of Sulin and also the unit of Lisa, so we can write the ratio um, of them. So the first one is Sulin, yeah, the ratio of the number of stickers Sulin has. So the first one is Sulin, how many? That is 3, right? And after that, Lisa, how many unit of Lisa? That is 7, and the total one is 10. Okay, so question B. What is the question B? Can you look back to the previous slide in order to see question B? Okay, question B is that find, sorry, how many sticker do they have altogether? So find the number of sticker that they have altogether. Okay, so as we see here, the diagram in previous slide, um, the number of unit that Lisa has more than Sulin is 4, right? So 4 unit is equal to the number of sticker that Lisa has more than Sulin is 172, something like that. So it means that 4 units is equal to 72. Okay. Here I should go back to the slide here. Yeah, you can see here 4 unit here. This is 4 unit and it equal to 172. So we can say 4 units equal 172. So 1 unit, in order to find 1 unit, you have to take 172 and divide by 4. So the result will be 43. So now we know that 1 unit is 43 sticker. So how many unit altogether? There are 10 unit, right? So 10 unit, you need to take 10 multiplied by 43. That will be 143 sticker. So totally they have 143 sticker. So this is for question 1. And I also give you another example. This is the example 2. Mr. Raja spent 5 times as much as money as Mr. Hamid. Mr. Raja spent 948 more than Mr. Hamid. So there are three questions. The first question, what is the ratio of the amount of money of Mr. Raja spent to the amount of money Mr. Hamid spent and to the total amount of the money they spent? So it's the same as previous question. And the second one, what fraction of the total amount of money they spent is the amount of money of Mr. Raja spent? They want to find a fraction um, of the total amount of money they spent is the amount of money Mr. Raja spent. And the last one is how much did Mr. Raja and Mr. Hamid each spend? Each spend means that how much. There are two questions here. How much did Mr. Raja spend, and how much did Mr. Hamid spend? Okay, so let see the model altogether. If you look at here, Mr. Raja spent 5 times as much as Mr. Hamid. So the meaning here is that when Mr. Raja spent 5 times or 5 units, then Mr. Hamid spent only 1 unit. That is the meaning here when we say Mr. Raja spent 5 times as much as money. Sorry, as much money as Mr. Hamid. Okay, and here Mr. Raja spent 948 more than Mr. Hamid. So you can see here, this is the amount of money that Mr. Raja spent more than Hamid. That is 948, and it is 4 units, right? Okay, so let's do together. If I think we can answer question one, question A here. What is the ratio of the amount of money Mr. Raja spent? So Mr. Raja spent 5 units to the amount of money Mr. Hamid spent. Mr. Hamid is 1, and to the amount of the total. So the total is 6, right? So that is very easy one. Yeah. So this is the solution for question A. And for question B, find the fraction of the total amount to the amount of Mr. Raja spent. So you can see that Mr. Raja spent 5 units and the total is 6, so the ratio should be 5/6. Yeah, that is the answer. And also for question C, how much did they spend each? It means that how much Mr. Raja spent and how much Mr. Hamid spent, as I already explained you. So if you look at the previous diagram, you will see that Mr. Raja uh, has spent 948 US dollar more than Mr. Hamid, and he also has 4 units more than Mr. Hamid. So it means that 4 units is equal to 4 units is equal to 948 US dollar. So in order to find 1 unit, you need to take 948 divided by 4, and then the result will be 237. And then now we know that 1 unit is 237, and Mr. Hamid is 1 unit. So that is the amount of Mr. Hamid spent. But we need to find the amount of Mr. Raja spent. How much Mr. Raja spent? So Mr. Raja, he has 5 units, right? So we need to find 5 units. 5 units, we need to multiply 5 by 237. So that will be 1185. So yeah, the answer is that Mr. Raja spent 1185 US dollar and Hamid spent 207 37 US dollar.